watching Chicago's very own WGN News with Larry Potash, Robin Baumgarten, Paul Conrad with weather, Aaron McElroy with traffic, Pat Tomasulo with sports, Dean Richards with entertainment, and Anna Bellaval with Around Town. This is WGN Morning News at 7.
Time for Around Town.
Anna's off, so Marcus is filling in. He's at the Morton Arboretum in Lisle. Hey, Marcus.
Hey, Robin. It is a beautiful, beautiful morning out here in Lisle. We are at the Morton Arboretum, as you said. It is just an incredibly gorgeous place if you haven't been out here before. We have Mary Sammerdike. How are you?
I'm great this morning.
So we're going to be out here all morning. This is how many acres?
We have 1,700 acres out here at the Morton Arboretum.
1,700 acres. What are we going to see out here this morning as we're going around the Arboretum?
Well, this morning we are going to explore the tours that are available from our app, which we're going to talk a little bit about.
Yeah, this is new for you guys, this new app.
It is new for us, absolutely. It's a great way to explore the Arboretum. So, for instance, we're standing here right now in Arbor Court. Children's Garden behind us, Maze Garden behind us, 2 stops that are on one of our tours. From here, we're going to help visitors explore beyond the core area of the grounds here, beyond the gardens. We're going to go into the woods. We're going to go to some wetlands. We're going to see some trees, some gardens.
We're going to do all of that in just 2 hours' time?
We are!
This is going to be incredible. I hope you have some kind of transportation for us to get around.
Absolutely.
Okay, very cool. But you guys are open all year round. I know I've been out here in the wintertime. What is it like in July to come out right in the middle of summer here at the Arboretum?
Summer is a great time of year to come out and visit us, whether it is looking at the trees and the natural areas or attending some of the events. We have some festivals, we have outdoor movies going on, we have all kinds of stuff for people to do the summer. Take a course.
Well, we are going to have a lot of fun. We're going to go around, as we said, tell you everything that you can do here and show you this really cool app that they have. It's pretty neat. We'll have it for you coming up around town. Back to you guys.
Time now for Around Town. Anna's off today, so Marcus is taking over. He's at the Morton Arboretum. Hello.
Hey, good morning, Robin. Yeah, we are here at the Morton Arboretum. They are launching a new app here that will take you all over the grounds on these tours to places that, a lot of people might miss them when they're here because it's such a big place. And some of these places are kind of hidden off the beaten path a little bit. We have Mary here, and where are we right now?
We are along the Joy Path. Joy Path is named for our founder, Joy Morton, who is also the founder of the Morton Salt Company.
Yes.
One of the beautiful things about the Joy Path is that it will allow you to experience a number of different kinds of areas. So we have gardens, we have trees, we have beautiful open landscapes. It is an accessible path, so for those who need a stroller or a wheelchair, it's a great way to go on that. And great way to explore the grounds.
We stepped off just a little bit here. It is paved, as you said, but as you step off, you just see this big open field, and this used to be the location of the Morton family home, right?
It was indeed. It is right now our Thornhill Education Center. We offer several hundred classes every year here, and it is named Thornhill because of the hawthorn trees at the top of the hill.
Excellent. Speaking of trees, I believe we're going to see the oldest tree that you have here coming up a little bit later. One of your signature trees.
Our Millennium Oak here.
All right, that's coming up a little bit. Much more from the Morton Arboretum around town. Back to you guys.
But first, Marcus is around town at the Morton Arboretum in Lisle. Hey, Marcus.
Hey, good morning, Larry. There are hundreds of thousands of trees here at the Morton Arboretum. We've been telling you about them all morning, but maybe none more famous than this tree right behind me here. This is their signature landmark tree. It's a white oak. This is the tree that you see on the Morton Arboretum logo, on all the shirts, on the signage, and everything else. This is the oldest tree here on the property. I'm not going to tell you how old it is until we come back a little bit later, but I will tell you that it predates the state of Illinois. Predates statehood. So you know this thing's pretty old. There's also a new app here at the Morton Arboretum. We're going to show you that coming up and show you how they use all the location features and everything else. There's some cool tours on that app that will take you all around the property. We'll have it for you coming up after the break on WGN Morning News.
Marcus is at the Morton Arboretum with lots of trees. Hey, Marcus.
Give it to me, baby.
Yeah, give me a tree.
Yeah, that's right. I was just telling them it's so quiet out here. It's like a library. But when I go to the Arboretum, I'm like, yeah, trees, everybody. There's trees everywhere. I'm cheering, and all the people hate me when I come here. Anyway, this is Mary Sammerdike. She is standing right now in front of, this is probably like, you got a lot of trees here. This is one of your big-time trees right here. Tell me about this tree.
This is one of our oldest trees here at the Morton Arboretum. This is our Millennium Oak. It is a white oak that predates settlements, statehood in Illinois here, which was 1818. So probably over 250 years old. Gorgeous tree, as you can see the size of it. It has beautiful sculpture, beautiful strength, beautiful branches.
How can you tell the tree is 250 years old? I mean, I know you cut it open, you count the rings, but you're not going to do that with this, obviously.
Right. What we know from settlement records what kind of plants were here initially, and just the size and the shape of it is enough to let us know that this is a tree of substance and a tree of value.
And this is the tree that you see on the logo, right? Or a tree like this,
The
right?
Morton Arboretum logo is a white oak. It has acorns on one side for the next generation of folks who enjoy the Arboretum, and leaves on the other side for the legacy that we've left.
Very cool. And we've been talking about this app all morning that they're debuting here at the Morton Arboretum. We have Kevin Leonard here. And who are you with, Kevin?
Breakthrough Technologies.
And you guys created the app that we've been talking about, and you have it here on the iPad. Just tell me about the idea behind the app and what it does.
Sure. Well, it was a collaboration with Morton Arboretum, and the idea was to get people out into the 1,700 acres that is the Arboretum,
right,
to see all of their favorite spots. For example, this is the West Side Wanderlust tour in the app.
Maybe tilt it down just a little bit. There we go, right there.
And we can scroll on down, and there is the Millennium Oak. And there's more information about the oak. We can look at pictures of the oak. And one of the cool things is it's location aware. So it knows where in the Arboretum we are in relation to the Millennium Oak and then other stops on this tour.
And that's so cool. You click the tours button, and there's a bunch of different tours here. There's like a bird watching tour, all different kinds of things you can do when you come out, right?
Absolutely. There's currently 6 tours available, lots of different stops. And there's a really cool feature where there's gamification that after you visit a site, you click Visited, and if you complete a tour, you ultimately earn achievements.
Cool. So you got to get out here. The more you come, the more achievements you rack up.
Exactly.
And then you can compete against your friends. So Robin, you can come out, I'll come out, and then we'll see who can rack up the most achievements here at the Morton Arboretum. It is open all year long. It's a great time to come because, of course, the weather's really nice. But yeah, they're open in the winter. I've been out here all times of year, and it's really is. You see something different each time because the leaves change and all that. It really is a beautiful place. So if you haven't been out here before, come on out. We have much more next hour as well from the Morton Arboretum. Send it back to you guys.
Time now for Around Town, and we have trees, big and small,
Be
old
quiet,
and new.
Larry.
What do you got there, Marcus?
We had trees, and now we have water, Larry. Are you ready? It's getting crazy here. We have Mary Sammerdyke from the Morton Arboretum. How are you?
Great, thank you.
So we're here at Lake Marmo.
Lake Marmo.
So tell me the significance of Lake Marmo here.
So Lake Marmo is named for Margaret Morton. She was Joy Morton's wife, M-A-R, Margaret,
Yes.
M-O, Morton. It is one of our premier destinations here at the Arboretum. If you're a birder, if you're a photographer, if you like to hike, it's a great place to come as well. Something all season long. Flowering trees in the spring, great fall color in the fall. Lots of artists will come out and sketch. Great place to see wildlife if you're bringing children. It's a nice opportunity for that as well.
Well, I got to tell you, the sound here is just something. You stand up here, it's so serene. I just feel relaxed, comfortable. I could stay here all day, and we're going to be here for the rest of the hour, tell you everything here at the Arboretum. They have a new app, some programs that you can do when you come out here. But, Mike, I'll have to send it to you right now. Man, that was nice.
Thank you, Marcus.
Hello, Marcus. We got you all plugged in now, ready to go.
All right. Yeah, that's great, Larry. And I want to tell you, I got in a little bit of trouble earlier because I offered to have you climb a tree when you come out here. It turns out you can't climb trees when you come to the
But we
Arboretum.
don't want anybody to have fun at the Morton Arboretum.
I know. So now I'm being ashamed. I have to go to the penalty box over in the woods over there when this is done. But anyway, I have Mary here who's going to talk about all the fun things you can do when you come out here to the Arboretum. It's a tremendous summer, you're telling me.
It is a tremendous summer.
Yes.
We have a lot of fun events coming up this summer, and you can use our app to explore some of those events. We have our Destination Asia Festival coming up on August 2nd and 3rd.
Very cool.
We have theater hikes going on. We have a beer festival coming up this fall. All kinds of fun stuff to do.
And this is a beautiful prairie right by. Why don't you tell me about what we're seeing here behind you?
Absolutely. So we are standing at the Schulenburg Prairie. This is a 50-year-old restored prairie. The Illinois is the prairie state, and here at the Morton Arboretum, we have lots of different types of habitats that you can explore. You can use one of the tours on our app to do that. We have woodlands, we have wetlands, and we have prairies.
Excellent. Kevin, I want to have you come in here. Kevin Leonard, he's with Breakthrough Technologies, and they created this app that when you come here, you have an iPhone, you can download this app at the Morton Arboretum. It's called Morton Arboretum, and you can take all these tours when you come out, and you're going to demo how this works. I don't know if the glare, we might have a little bit of glare here. We have some video you can go to if that's the case, but how does it work?
Sure. Basically, if you click on the Tours tab, there's up to 6 tours that you can take. Each of the tours has multiple stops available. If you're a member, when you're coming to the Arboretum, you can just click on the member card area, and they'll let you right through the gate. There's also a really cool map that'll show you exactly where in the Arboretum you are. And if you want to learn more about the tremendous summer, you can go to the News tab, and it shows all of the data. And the really cool thing is it comes out of their Drupal open source content management tool.
Whoa. Look at that. Look at those big words. Dropping the tech right now here at the Arboretum. Who says trees and technology do not mix? So, Mary, people want to come out here at the Arboretum. What do they do? When are you open? All that good stuff.
We are open 365 days a year. We open at 7 a.m. and we close at sunset. There is a lot to see and do. You can take tours. You can ride your bike. You can hike. You can ski. You can snowshoe.
Excellent. And it really is. I've been out here all seasons of the year. Every time you come, you see something a little bit different, I would say. That's fair to say, right?
Absolutely. Every day is a different day.
All right. So there you go, Larry, Robin. Get on down here. I'll wait for you. It's a beautiful weather. We'll check out the trees.
Wait
Send
right there. We'll be right down.